Look it down. Say hello to the people.
How's it going, guys?
Yeah. Feel Good Friday. Happy Friday, everybody.
We didn't do it.
Tell them.
Tell them what?
Excuse the mess in the back.
It's always like
Yeah.
we don't act like it's not.
They hate.
You.
And they hate.
Alright.
It begins.
Anybody gonna tell you my lizard drop? Like, golly.
Yeah. Top 5 hardest things to do.
What?
What we're doing now. Tell them what we're doing right now.
I'm trying to find something to eat, man.
Trying to find food. A lot of pressure. A lot of pressure.
I want the one that's 40 minutes away. That means you don't want to go.
Yeah, 40 minutes, a little drive.
Wow.
40 minutes, a drive. And when you think 40 minutes, that's more than half an hour.
I don't think you can put a time on the happiness of someone you love.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Good point.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm hungry, though.
Let's see what we'll choose today, guys. Stay tuned. What's up, y'all? Check it out. We decided on the Blue Note Grill. Yeah, that's what we got. Oh, hold on. Let me close the door. Let me close my door. But yeah, the Blue Note Grill. I don't know if y'all can see it back there. Gonna check that out. Yeah. Let's see what they're talking about. This is our first time. Hopefully it ain't. We'll give y'all a review though. Peace.
And it's blue, so it's pretty.
And this is at Sephora.
I mean, it's probably at Ulta and stuff, but yeah. Show the people.
And this is a free pub.
Yeah.
And yeah, she's telling me that this is what she must smell. The new one. How recent?
I think this has been like a week, so.
Only released a week.
It's called After Hours. And the notes are Midnight Jasmine, Amber Woods, and Black Currant.
Gotcha.
Some say currant, but currant, whatever.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
All depends upon your vernacular.
It's animal, test free, paraben free. So, in other words, we need to be on the way. So, whatever you do with that, what you will.
But anyway. But no, take notes, guys.
Yeah.
Blue Note Grill rating update.
I'm gonna let you go.
Blue Note Grill update rating.
Why you
Again?
I'll give it a 7.
Ooh, tough crowd.
That's better than average.
God, tough crowd.
I'll give it a 7. Yep.
I'll give her a solid 8.
Oh shoot. Yeah, it was good. It was just some little aspects that I ain't,
Such as?
The greens were kind of a little too leafy for me. They were
So a texture problem.
They were a little undercooked. It seemed like
Texture issue.
they needed to be cooked a little more. Like it was given like grass type, a little earthy.
Yeah, according to the books, I guess the greener and more crispier it is, it's supposed to be the most healthy it is for you.
Well, I personally, today I wasn't worried about health. I just wanted it to be good.
Fair enough. But yeah, desserts though. I dabbled in those. Mm-hmm. You had a piece of the bread pudding.
Yeah, but I didn't eat the stuff like that. I don't eat desserts.
So it sounds like she wasn't a fan of the bread pudding either.
That's not true. I thought it was cool. It was good.
Alright. But that's why I gave her 8. Because the bread pudding was really good.
Wings was
and I keep calling it is bread pudding. Yeah, and I had banana pudding cake. 2 bananery.
Yes.
Not a whole fan of that. Yeah. But someone may be.
Like banana Laffy Taffy almost. And nobody likes
very
those.
banana. Very last minute brown banana.
Very moon pie.
Very. You might have got me. I ain't got one. You got me.
Yeah.
I get you know.
Ain't too many banana things you can talk about.
Yeah, I get you. But yeah, that's the update. Now where we headed?
To Ross or to go smell this perfume.
The what was it called again?
After Hours.
You gonna show that again?
Yeah.
Y'all may know what this is. Somebody?
I mean, you know, they may not. They probably seen the other bottles in general, but they might if they keep a lookout.
We'll give an update on that too. Mm-hmm. What that smell like. But we'll see y'all. Feel Good Friday.
Yep.
See you in a minute, Pete. That was it. You asked for it, you got it.
I mean, you sitting there talking about obviously you better do something. I'm sleepy.
Look at the thing rocking with it.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, you tired?
I'm sleepy, man. That freaking blue, them.
You just wore out. I understand it.
I know what's gonna help me wake up in a minute.
This worship.
Well, that and going to Buc-ee's. And Frappuccino probably perk me right on up. What's the temperature?
There go, man.
Is it really 93 degrees? Surprisingly, it don't feel like that. Well, I don't know. Maybe it is over here.
Too busy. Tell them what you don't know.
He really do always be up. They're not crazy. I be sleepy.
Yeah, you over there yawning. Yeah.
I'm not
So
God.
what's a freaking yawn?
Bless him.
Tell them what you want.
Little stuff like that would be like, that man is God, because it be approaching 11. I'm like, all right, y'all. I'll get back to y'all at 8. Mary.
They gonna cut my joint off of this. They gonna flag my joint for this.
Oh, probably.
We don't own
Why'd
rights.
you look back? You going to put that in the
We don't own copyrights. None of this. This is all background.
Yeah.
This is all original content.
But it ain't like they're gonna be watching it to hear that. Like, you're probably gonna have to just put it in the
They gonna have an algorithm to
description.
flag my joint.
We know Molly.
Fact. Partner them. I don't even know where bro from. Where from? Africa?
He's from
Nigeria?
Mali. Right?
Don't judge me. Where is Mali? That's a country?
He's from Mali.
Is that in Africa? Is that on a continent?
He's from.
Hello?
He's in Africa.
No, we're listening to this music. We in this car. Right here beside you. Now this is funny.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, huh? What you want us to say hello? There you go.
What she say?
She said I see it in the fingertips. Oh, I thought you could see it.
What is going on?
Yeah, what you get? What? Yeah, what you wanted to see if we was in here? We in here. You can roll your window down. But call us to ask about our window. I'm talking to Boogie Down. And you, I'm on the phone with you. She talking about who you talking to. Alright, ma. Yeah. She's talking about, oh, she thought I was on the thing on the dashboard.
Oh, yeah. I thought you on FaceTime or something.
No. That's just the More Glory channel. That's our More Glory folks. Tell them hello.
She said.
She said hello, Glory Story. Hold on, let me put you on speaker. Say it again. Hold on, 1 second. Say it again.
Hello, Glory Story. How are y'all today?
Yeah, tell them happy Friday. It's Feel Good Friday. Did they ask them? Did they do something to make somebody?
Happy Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. Did you all do something good for someone? Did the Lord lay something on your heart that you wanted to share with the people you came in contact with?
Amen. There you go.
Let Glory Stories know. Chime in.
Absolutely. There you go. Thank you, man.
Excellent enunciation as well.
That's great. See? Fantastic.
It's getting a little toasty. I'm gonna light this up.
We're waiting to get something to eat, so we'll be back with y'all after we finish.
Now you want me to hold?
Yeah. Feel Good Friday. Got a bag of goodies.
This stuff?
Boogie Down gonna find us a culprit.
Not culprit.
Yeah. Got just a couple bugs. Good old mints. Gets hot, gotta eat the towel. Quality. Got your good old toiletry items. Toothbrush. Can't never negate a good pair of socks. What else you got? Some lip balm, lip be chapped. Bliss sticks. Good stuff. Yep. Got some good old crackers. This Gatorade might not make it, but yeah.
I know that was in there.
You got some good old Lorna Doone shortbread cookie. Some cress. Toothpaste. Brilliant White. Find you a place to get, get a little bathe in. Stop in your local motel, hotel, holiday inn.
Man.
You get your little wash going. Got you some local pens. Think that's about it. Yeah, think this is good little care package. Feel Good Friday. Oh yeah. Can't be out here ash. Throw them on your hands. Ultra healing.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're trying to find a individual without shelter at the moment. Like we do here. Trying to what's the word I want to go with? Fight? Is it fight situational homelessness? Raise awareness.
Either way.
We're raising awareness for situational homelessness. The Glory Stories LLC, sister company of Forgiven Sons. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So stay tuned. Not gonna really show the person. You know what I mean? We ain't out here for that. That ain't what we about. But we out here about to find somebody to get this to. Y'all might see the aftermath or something, or the prior pull up or something. Then we're gonna cut her. But support us though. Proceeds, they're going to good cause. We appreciate it. GiveTheSons.org, donate tab, appreciate you. Babe, see you in a minute. Got a gentleman across the street that I might see if he can use something. Let's see.
Okay. I can't just flip it. I gotta stop.
Let it fly. How you doing?
Hey, how y'all doing?
I'm good.
How are you?
I got do you want like a goodie bag? I got some stuff I'm trying to get give away if you would like.
Here you go.
Yeah, no
You're
problem.
welcome.
Absolutely.
Have a good one.
Real good Friday raffle about to happen. Just dropped off some goods to our man Ralph.
Yep.
So because of y'all, appreciate your contributions and support. Hopefully continue to be able to do these things. But we have our Move Your Monday workouts, workout Wednesdays. For those people that came and worked out, you understand what we got going on here, as well as any membership. Your name is in here for the final monthly raffle. So this is what we do once a month for members only. So if you first time come and get the workout though, you get a complimentary name in the hat. But following that, only members only get this. And what we're doing this week is this month, $10 Chick-fil-A gift card. All right, building up, they get better, but hey, $10 gift card, get you a meal. Chick-fil-A, solid establishment. You like Chick-fil-A?
Yeah. Give me a spicy chicken.
Alright, solid establishment, spicy chicken, cool. Alright, so look, these are names. Alright, I'm not gonna pick them. I'm gonna let the lovely Ashley pick them. I don't call her Ashley, so it probably feel weird. Boogie down, sweetheart. I'll let her pick it. But, alright, drum roll please. Alright, here we go. We're gonna get the $10 gift card. And I must say, you gotta come get it, claim it, redeem it at either the next Move Your Monday, so this Monday coming up, or the Wednesday, so consecutive. Alright, so if you don't attend, you kind of just forfeit it. We'll just give it to, put it back in the hat, or we'll find someone else that may can benefit from it, or she might go get her $10 spicy chicken, or whatever. I go give me some fries. Go give me some fries, but yeah. So just wanted to throw that in there. You gotta come get it. Come get to work Monday, Wednesday, and pick it up when we come. All right, here we go.
All right. Let me not look for they try to say I'm doing something.
All right. They behave.
Right. All right. Let me see.
And we got. And also.
Go ahead.
Tell them, definitely forgive the name, name if it's not pronounced the right way. But we can say this.
We got Willie. That's
Willie. Yeah. All right, Willie.
It just has
the
first
Willie.
name.
Okay,
That's my fault,
I think it's Philip. Jr. I think Willie Phillip, but if it's not, but I have seen the name registered before. But Willie though, you'll see this. We'll put an announcement on Facebook, Instagram. Willie, you have won. Give it up for Willie. Congratulations this month. Good work as well coming in. We look forward to seeing you at a Monday or Wednesday, getting the work in, as well as get you a complimentary meal on the house. All right, $10 Chick-fil-A coming to you, Willie. And in regards to Feel Good Friday, that may conclude us for the
It's
day.
a good day.
Good day. Yeah. Give a recap. What you feel? What you enjoy? You got to put on the spot
food,
now.
So food's pretty good. You know, whenever you can, give in the bag, whenever you can help somebody, that always makes the day better. So,
Amen.
that was it for me, man.
Amen.
Those were the highlights.
Amen. I can concur. Yeah, hopefully, again, like that was beneficial to him, and we hopefully can continue to shoot. My hope is we can buy 10 hotels and put people in them for real, like at some point, like and be able to do it the right way, and then not only that, be able to help them get employment on their feet. Shouldn't be people out here, man, without no shelter and food and stuff. With as much money people got out here in this world, that shouldn't be the case. But I digress, and just kind of do our part. So yeah, appreciate y'all checking out us. Again, check out forgivingsons.org.
Yeah.
We appreciate y'all. No, in all seriousness, thank the Lord just for the opportunity. Thank you for the grace, the mercy, just protection, safety, love, and forgiveness. You all stay safe, stay blessed. Appreciate y'all. And until next time, as always, keep the main thing the main thing.